Just 30 minutes away from southwest Fort Worth is quiet and serene Cleburne State Park. This park offers fishing and no-wake boating on its spring-fed lake, as well as camping and hiking. Admission is $6 for 13 and older, but 12 and under are free. There is free admission if you hold a Texas Parks Pass. Not far from headquarters is the Camp Creek Day Use area, with plenty of picnic benches under shade trees next to a clear creek. Next to the Camp Creek Day Use area is the Camp Creek Bridge, built by the CCC. Nowadays, this bridge is for foot traffic only. However, in the past, this was the only way for people and vehicles to cross this creek. Just beyond the Camp Creek Bridge and past the restrooms is the trailhead for Camp Creek Loop, a 1.1 mile trail that takes you along the edge of the state park. One of the most popular attractions is the Spillway, which can be accessed by taking the Spillway Trail. At the beginning, you will come across a clear creek you will need to cross before walking the 0.7 mile trail to the Spillway itself. The main attraction to the park is the Spillway, hand-built by Company 3805 of the CCC. The men impounded the lake behind this impressive stone-lined, three-tiered dam, which was able to provide water to the city of Cleburne. Heading back down the Spillway Trail will connect you to the Limestone Ridge Trail, a 1.7 mile trail that is considered challenging due to its switchbacks and twists that bikers will enjoy. It is advised to bring a compass or GPS unit so you don't become lost. From the Limestone Ridge Trail, you can get to the Limestone Ridge Inner Loop. This trail is 1.7 miles one way and is considered challenging as well. It is advised to bring a compass or GPS unit so you don't become lost on this trail either. Continuing back down the Spillway Trail and close to the parking lot is the trailhead to White Tail Hollow Trail. This easy trail is 1.9 miles round trip and will take you through the woods to Cedar Lake. Driving down Park Road 21 will be a scenic overlook of Cedar Lake. The CCC designed the park road to show views of the lake like this while driving. Beyond the scenic overlook is an ADA accessible fishing pier that is covered. Fishing gear can be loaned from headquarters and no permit is required if fishing from here. Next to the fishing pier is the boat ramp. No wake boating is allowed and personal watercraft like jet skis are not allowed either. A short drive from the fishing pier is the Cedar Beach Day Use area. This day use area has single and double kayaks, as well as paddle boards for rent from the self-serve kiosk. The third day use area at the state park is located at the Coyote Run Day Use area, a small area with picnic benches and limited parking. From the Coyote Run Day Use area is the trailhead for Coyote Run Trail. This trail can also be accessed by going past the Spillway. This is a 1.1 mile moderate trail that at the end will provide a scenic view of Cedar Lake. From Coyote Run Trail, you can access the Bustle Ridge Trail, a 2.5 mile challenging trail that goes up and down along part of the park boundary. There are several options for staying at Cleburne State Park. Full hookup campsites that include 20, 30, and 50 amp are $30 a night, while sites with just electricity are $25. Full hookup sites that are either 20 or 30 amp are $20 a night, and sites with just electricity are $20. Cabins are available for $60 a night and include an AC unit, heater, and include 2 sets of bunk beds. There are also screen shelters that are $30 a night. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.